What's up guys, Jacob here with another cool product spotlight video for you guys today. This is our Schaeffers oil change kit for your 2020 to 2024 3.0 liter Duramax diesel. They're 1500 trucks, some of them are the SUV that some guys have gotten. Like you see behind me is a pickup truck. They've become very popular in the last couple of years here for most of you guys, even if you're in the city, in the country. Just a great overall truck, getting good fuel mileage and everything. What I have to show you guys today though is our Schaeffers oil change kit. It is new for us. It's a 0W-20 with all of Schaeffers proprietary additives. As most of you know, it's a great product, some of the best oil you can put in your engine. In my opinion, it is the best oil you can put in your engine. Our kit's gonna come with an oil filter and everything. It's ACEDelco ready to go for you guys. That way all you gotta do is purchase it, throw it in your truck, you're good to go. Another thing that's an option on our website at zzdiesel.com, you can get your fuel filter as well if you need that. So if you're in there buying the oil change kit, you'll see that as an add-on item so you guys can get your fuel filter as well right there. This kit part number is ZZ-OCK-30-2024. You can find it on our website. Most of these guys that have already been running this, we've done oil analysis with this oil. They're seeing 10-degree temperature drops in their pickup truck's engine oil temp, and they're also gaining anywhere between 2 to 3 miles per gallon by just using this oil in their 3.0 liter Duramax trucks. It's highly recommended by us. It's the only oil you'll see that we typically offer unless you got a brand new engine, and then you're gonna wanna run something to break that in first. Rather than Schaeffers, so run an OEM oil, but other than that, once you've been through the break-in process, go ahead and get yourself switched to the Schaeffers product. You're gonna see the results. You're not just gonna see them, you're gonna hear them. And I promise you, you'll feel them as well. And it also helps the pocketbook at the end of the day. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 800-749-0688. Any of us can get you helped out and answer any questions you have.